Most people copy rich people's cars, not their calendar. That is why they stay stuck. Wealth is not built by one big win. It is built by small wins you repeat each day. Today I will show you a simple daily routine for building wealth. It fits real life. It fits a job, school, and busy days. This routine has 3 blocks: morning, afternoon, evening. Your goal is not perfect. Your goal is steady progress. Morning is for control. Do not give your best minutes to your phone. When you wake up, stay offline for 10 minutes. That one choice makes the day feel calmer. Start small. Sit up slow. Feet on the floor. Take 3 easy breaths. Drink water. Open a window. Let light hit your eyes. Do 2 to 5 minutes of light movement. Stretch your neck and back. Roll your shoulders. Walk a little. Do a few slow squats. Then eat simple fuel if you need it. Keep it light and steady. Eggs and toast works. Yogurt and fruit works. A banana and oats works. Now the key part. 10 minutes. A simple money plan. I call it the daily money check. You do not need a big spreadsheet. You need clear choices. 3 choices, then you start the day. Choice 1 is your wealth move. 1 move only. Small is fine, but it must be real. Good wealth moves are simple. Move a small amount to savings. Pay extra on high-interest debt. Turn on autopay for 1 bill. Cancel 1 unused app. Pack your lunch. Cook at home. List 1 item to sell. Pick 1 wealth move for today. Then move on. Choice 2 is your income move. Income is the engine. Saving is the shield. You want both. Your income move is 1 task that grows skill or creates value. It is work that pays later. Examples. Learn 1 skill for 30 minutes. Build 1 page of your portfolio. Send 1 sales message. Apply to 1 better job. Post 1 product listing. Practice 1 job skill you can sell. Pick 1 income move for today. Choice 3 is your leak plug. Most people lose money from small leaks. Delivery, random deals, late-night snacks, small treats that add up. So set 1 spend rule for today. 1 rule only. No delivery today. No online shopping today. No paid apps today. Or only 1 paid treat today. A rule saves willpower. It makes the day easier. Now set your win condition. Pick 3 tasks for the day. Only 3. If you finish those 3 tasks, the day is a win. This keeps you focused and calm. Now the afternoon. This is where wealth is built. Not from talk, from focus. Most people work in tiny pieces. Email, chat, tabs, more chat. They feel busy, but nothing big moves. You need 1 deep work block. 60 to 120 minutes on 1 task. Deep work means 1 thing. You are fully on 1 task. No phone. No extra tabs. No quick checks. Here is the rule. Deep work first, then reactive work. If you start reactive, you stay reactive. If you start deep, you win the day. Set a timer. Put the phone away. Close extra tabs. Make it easy to focus. If you need your phone for work, use Do Not Disturb. Only allow calls from family. 1 boundary can double focus. Use a clear start cue. Same place, same time, same drink. Your brain learns the pattern. If you do not have 2 hours, use 1 hour. If you do not have 1 hour, use 30 minutes. The key is to protect 1 block that moves your life forward. If you feel stuck, use the 2-minute start. Tell yourself you will work for 2 minutes. Open the file. Do 1 small step. After 2 minutes, most people keep going. After deep work, take a short break. Stand up. Drink water. Rest your eyes. Then do your reactive block. Answer messages. Do admin. Handle small tasks. Batch it into 1 window so it does not leak all day. Eat a light lunch if you can. Heavy lunch makes you sleepy. Sleepy people scroll. Sleepy people buy junk. If you hit a slump, do a quick reset. Stand up, drink water, walk for 5 minutes, then return to work. Now the evening. Evening is where most people fall off. They are tired and want relief. That is normal. So we give relief, but we do it on purpose. Rest is part of the plan. Choose a small reward that is free. A hot shower, a calm game, a walk with music, a call with a friend. Now do a 5-minute money close. Like closing a store at night. Ask 3 quick questions. Did I follow my spend rule? Did I do my wealth move? What will I adjust tomorrow? If you missed, no shame. Just notice it and adjust. This builds trust with yourself. Next is learning. 20 minutes. That is it. Pick one lane for 30 days. Money basics, sales, writing, code, design, or a job skill. One lane, not 5 lanes. Small daily learning beats big weekend bursts. Small wins build skill. Skill builds income. Now plan tomorrow in 2 minutes. Pick 3 clear tasks. Only 3. Keep them specific. Finish 1 script page. Walk 20 minutes. Move $10 to savings. Now do a digital sunset. Cut screens for 30 minutes before bed. No doom scroll. No late night deals. Read a light book. Stretch. Or sit in quiet. Sleep is a wealth tool. Bad sleep makes bad buys. Good sleep makes good choices. Now, the simple psychology. Habits run on a loop. Cue, action, reward. If the cue is stress, the action becomes scroll or spend, and the reward is quick relief. This routine changes the cue. Calm morning, focused afternoon, closed evening. Another reason this works is decision fatigue. Choices drain you. When you are drained, you pick easy things and spend for comfort. So we use rules to reduce choices. 1 wealth move. 1 income move. 1 spend rule. 3 tasks. 1 deep work block. We also use friction. Make bad choices hard. Make good choices easy. Put shopping apps in a folder. Log out. Turn off sale emails. Unlink your card for maps. Keep water on your desk. Keep your work tab ready. This is not about willpower. It is about design. Here is the big idea. Rich people protect time. Time is the one thing you cannot buy back. Money can return. Time will not. That is why calendars matter. A calendar is a fence. It keeps your time safe. When time is planned, stress drops. When stress drops, spending drops. Now your 3-day challenge. For 3 days, run this routine. Morning control. Afternoon deep work. Evening close and learn. After 3 days, check 2 things. Your stress and your money leaks. Most people feel lighter fast. Not because life changed. Because the day changed. If you want more simple systems like this, subscribe. Calm plans beat loud flex. Steady steps build wealth.